3.5, number 188. Again, one of the two most important problems for the course, you might say, dealing with derivatives is finding the equation of the tangent line. So that's what this one is. And our function is f of x equals secant x. And we're finding the find equation of tangent line. To this function at, says x equals pi on 4. All right, to find the equation of the tangent line, again, we need to know the slope of the tangent line. So f prime of x is the memorized fact. The derivative of secant is secant tan, so secant x tan x. So f prime at pi on 4 will be secant pi on 4 tan pi on 4. All right, which is of course the same as the reciprocal, right? 1 over cos pi on 4, that's secant pi on 4, all right, times tan pi on 4. Okay, so cos pi on 4 is of course the memorized fact at root 2 on 2. So therefore the reciprocal of that will be 2 on root 2. And tan of pi on 4 is 1. Again, another memorized fact from basic trigonometry. So this is nothing other than root 2. Right? 2 on root 2 is, of course, just root 2 itself, and 1 does nothing to this product. So we now have the slope of the tangent line at x equals pi on 4. So that should mean that the equation of the tangent line is y equals root 2 times x plus unknown y-intercept. And there's a certain point, pi on 4 secant pi on 4, is on this line. Again, because the tangent line and the function share this point of intersection, right, happening at pi on 4. So it must be the same as pi on 4, secant pi on 4. Secant pi on 4, we just said was 2 on root 2, which was root 2. So this point is really pi on 4, comma, root 2. So filling that in for x and y over here, to find b, we have that y is the root of 2, and x is pi on 4. Numbers are a little bit strange. Not that big a deal. So we'll subtract this over. So we'll have root 2 minus root 2 times pi on 4. And that is what b is. We can make it look a little bit nicer though if we factor off the root 2. So we have root 2, 1 minus pi on 4. Okay. And now we just plug that back in for b. So all of this implies that our tangent line is y equals root 2x plus the root of 2 times 1 minus pi on 4. Okay.